everybody, this is Mrs. Prosser, and I am going to show you in this video how to do transitions. So the first thing you probably want to do is zoom in a little bit. To zoom in, you can click and drag here. That will allow me to see the edges of my clips a little bit better. And then you'll see there's not really an option here for transitions. There's a couple different ways to do transitions, but what I find is I like to go to Effects up here. There'll be effects over here and you'll see video transitions. If you click this little drop down, you'll get the different types of transitions. I recommend Dissolve. It's mainly like the most professional one. And what I'm going to start with is fading from black at the beginning. So I'm going to use this dip to black. I literally click, drag it over, and drag it to the clip I want. So now if I play this, you'll see it'll fade from black at the beginning. Maybe I want that to be longer. If I click on this, it will change here into this little icon that is for the transition. If I click and drag from there, it will allow me to expand that transition. So now if I play it, you'll see it will transition more slowly. All right, now what about other transitions? Let's say I want to cross dissolve, so where it dissolves from one clip to the next. Same thing, I just click, drag what I want, and put it where I want it. So here, if I play, you'll see now it will dissolve from one of the clips to the next. You can also use it on text. So maybe I want here where monuments comes up, maybe I want that to fade in. So I can click and drag that on the text, and now the text will fade in. And again, to expand it, you just roll over it until you get this icon, click and drag to expand. So now it will slowly fade in. Anyway, those are a couple things you can do. There's also dip to white. I don't usually use that very much. Dip to black is where you go from black to the clip. Maybe at the end, I want to add dip to black again. You can do that if you'd like, and now it will fade out when it gets to the end. So there you have it. That's how to do transitions. Enjoy.